Hi, I'm James Price, Chief Executive of Transport for Wales, and we're up in Taftswell today, actually. Very close, albeit you can't see it, to the new depot that is being built, but stood in front of a detailed mock-up, both outside and inside, of one of the new Metro vehicles that in really quite a short time now will be operating and moving people all around South East Wales. At Transport for Wales, we're working with partners right across Wales on 3 different Metro schemes. South Wales Metro, North Wales Metro and Swansea Bay Metro, which obviously cover different geographic parts of Wales, and they're all at different stages of their development.
Hi, I'm Nathan Cartwright. I'm a commercial manager for Transport for Wales. It's extremely important to use local companies. It's a major infrastructure project. We sell to Wales to ensure that we're engaging people from all skill levels, all experience, everything from media, branding, right up to the people you see cutting the trees today. It's important to make sure everyone has fair opportunity to get involved in these works, and from all levels, all skills and experience.
I'm Louise Abbey. I'm the Environment and Sustainability Specialist for Balfour Beatty Rail. I think the Metro is fantastic for South Wales. I think it's going to improve transport links really well. I think the local people are going to benefit quite a lot from it, and it's generally going to improve the lives of a lot of people.
Metro is all about trying to make people's lives easier by making it as easy as it possibly can be to travel around an area, in this instance South East Wales, in the most sustainable form possible. And that will mean integrating trams, trains, walking and cycling and bus. Overall, everyone will see new trains, new rolling stock with greater capacity, running at higher frequencies, and most important of all, is going to be much, much greener and better for the environment.